Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add animated emojis to your video by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut, then tap on new project. Here select your video and then put it on your timeline. Now if you tap on text, then you guys will find out emojis from here. Select the emoji that you want to add and then customize it, put it where you want, and now you guys can add animations on here. If you tap on animation, and then you guys can put animation for the intro, for the outro, and for the loop you guys can use animations. Here you guys can add the animations that are available for text only. Here is another way to use emojis in your video. Tap on stickers and then you guys will find out emojis from here also. These emojis are different from the emojis that are available on text, and then you guys can also use animations here which are only available for this sticker. You guys can notice the emojis which are now animated, and this is how you guys can add animated emojis to your videos. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.